Hey guys, today we are making crispy chicken. You know that KFC type that is very crunchy outside and soft inside. I'll teach you how to achieve it in this video. We are going to start by washing our chicken with some lemon or lime. I'm using soft chicken drumstick for this recipe. You can use any part of soft chicken. You can use chicken wing, chicken breast, any one you prefer is fine. So after washing the chicken thoroughly with the lime, transfer into a clean bowl, add seasoning, add salt, add black pepper, add chili powder, add some ginger, garlic, and onion powder. This is the type I use. It's 3 in 1. Then add some milk. You can just mix some powdered milk with water, then mix together. Let everything combine very well. You can wear gloves or just use your spatula to mix it well. After everything is properly incorporated, cover it with a cling film, or if you use a bowl with a cover, just use the cover to cover it up and leave it to marinate for some minutes or hours, depending on how long you can wait for. While our chicken is marinating, let's cut our sweet potatoes that we are going to use for the fries on the side. You can use Irish potatoes. For me, I prefer sweet potatoes. You can also use yam since it's homemade and for home consumption, right? So you wash it well, then add a little bit of salt and set that aside. In another bowl, you add some flour, some cornstarch, a little bit of salt, some chili powder, then mix everything together. Set that aside and bring out the chicken. Open it up, break one egg inside the marinated chicken and mix it together thoroughly. Now you want to put some inside the flour mixture, or you can be coating it one by one inside the flour mixture. I'm doing 4 at a time, so you can cover and mix together like this. You can then coat it back inside the marinade, then back inside the flour for extra crunch. You can now arrange everything on a rack so that they won't stick together. Now you need a deep pot or a deep pan to fry because we have to deep fry. Pour some oil inside the pot, like this amount is fine. You can add some onions for extra flavor. Once the onions turns brown like this, that means the oil is hot enough to fry the chicken. You can take out the burnt onions, the hard chicken one by one. Don't add too much at a time. You don't want the oil to pour on your stove because it can cause explosion. Please be careful. So I'm frying 4 pieces at a time. You want to fry on medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Just be flipping it and be turning it till it is well fried. Drain it on a clean paper towel and do the same for the remaining. You want to fry your sweet potatoes on medium heat as well till it turns golden brown. And this is what we have. You can have this crispy chicken with ketchup or mayonnaise or with any sauce of your choice. You can have it with burger sauce, shawarma sauce. This tastes really good. It tastes exactly like KFC crispy chicken, and I'm not even making mouth. We absolutely love it. It tastes so good, very delicious, crispy and soft. Thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do that. See you in my next video.